I'm Shashank and I would like to thank all of you for your phenomenal response to the Best of CAT series. In continuation to that and on popular demand, we will be launching the Best of XAT series, in which we will be covering some questions from quant and verbal from some of the past XAT papers. But before we get going, I would like to say a couple of things from my end. Now that the CAT is over, the response sheets are out and you have an inkling of what your probable percentiles might look like, I think it's best that you start looking at the upcoming tests and stop dwelling on the past. If you keep on dwelling on the past and not look ahead of you, you might regret it a bit later. Now coming to the XAT and how exactly is it different from the CAT, there are three big pointers that you might want to keep in mind. The first pointer is XAT does not have any sectional time limits or any order of attempt. So you are free to pick and choose whichever section you are comfortable with and you can build momentum as you go ahead. The second thing that separates the XAT from the CAT is the nature of the questions. Some of the questions at the XAT you can say are extremely complex or even ambiguous in nature. You have to understand where exactly to stop when it comes to attempting a particular question and how exactly to move ahead. Considering the large amount of time that you have at your disposal, it becomes very critical that you spend the first few minutes on the questions that you are the most certain about. The third thing wherein XAT becomes different as compared to the CAT is in terms of the level of difficulty of the individual sections. At the CAT, more or less each section was at a relatively stable level. But when it comes to the XAT, you might see a situation wherein one section will be significantly easier compared to the other two sections. And so you have to be mentally prepared for that kind of an eventuality as well. In this series, we are going to look at points 2 and 3. So what we will be doing is, we will be taking a question, we will be commenting on that particular question as to what exactly should you have looked at, what makes it an easy question, or if there is an elegant way of solving this particular question. So what I would suggest is you pay attention throughout this series, also look at the past XAT papers that you have and plan your preparation ahead. To aid with your preparation, we also have a very special video in which we have discussed the pattern of the test, the sectional cutoffs, the attempt strategy and the preparation strategy to help you prepare over the next few days. You can check out the video by clicking on the link in the description box below. Stay tuned for more videos on XAT and happy learning.